Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 per day, and more than likely even more than that, because this is so easy. Even a 10-year-old could do this and make passive income with this. So you're going to want to stick around to see the details on this, and we're going to get started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said before, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day, probably even more, and turn this into a passive income, and it's all for free, 100% free. It doesn't cost a thing to do this. Alrighty, so first of all, let's get the to-dos out of the way. My name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website, and if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, I can't imagine what you're waiting for. Just reach down there right now and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell, because so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here, because I'm always trying to bring financial freedom and time freedom into your guys' life with each and every money-making video that I bring out. Alrighty guys, well, with that all out of the way, let's get jumped right in on this. I'm excited to show this to you. Pretty simple way to do this here. Easy way. What we're going to do is come over here to our Opera browser here, and we're going to load up, and we'll come to Fiverr here. I just love Fiverr. Fiverr is such an easy place to make lots of easy money with very little bit of work involved, or it could be as much work as you want it to be involved, actually. Alright, so what you're going to do when you come here to Fiverr, you're going to set up a gig here on Fiverr. What you want to do is click join. If you don't have an account on Fiverr, it's free to join, and then click sign in, get logged into your account, and then you can click on become a seller, or you can click on become a seller right off the bat and come over here and click on it there, become a seller, and sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or create a local account right here on Fiverr, and then you just go through the process of setting up your gig. Now, what kind of gig are you going to set up? Well, let's come back here to the main page, and let's just type in right here, for example, slogans. We'll type in slogans right there, and as you see, we come up with several results for slogans. You see there's lots of people that do this, but one thing I want to show you is that if you look right here, there's only 806 people doing this right now. So this is a wide open market compared to all the billions of people that are on the internet today. Okay, so this is something that's going to be so easy to do and easy to get into, and you can get your gig ranked up pretty quick in this because it's a small market here so far. If you're going to do this, you ought to get in on it right now before that number goes up even higher. Alrighty. And what you can do is you can look down through here, and you see that these people will say, I'll write slogans or taglines. Where you see taglines, taglines is just another word for slogan. It means the same thing. And you can pick out, you can see all the different prices, ranges from 30, 15, 30, 10, and so on and so forth down through here. And they're all doing these slogans and taglines for customers. Now, you can pick whichever one you want. What you want to do is set up your gig and model it after someone else's. You don't want to copy, you just want to model. So, for example, we'll just take this guy right here, because he's got 676, if you see right there, 676 reviews with a 4.9 star rating, and he starts his package at $30. Now, you can pick whichever one you want here to model your gig after. It doesn't matter, but for our example, I'm going to pick this guy because of his ratings and his price here. So if we click on that, that brings us over here to his page or his profile, and you can offer a basic package, a standard package, or a premium package like he's doing here. Now, there's some people on here I noticed, they just offer a basic package and set it for like $40. And if you'll notice what he says here is he'll do 5 taglines or slogans for $30 with 2 days delivery, 5 slogans included for $30. And his standard package is $60 for 10 slogans on a 3-day delivery, and a premium package for $90 and 15 taglines or slogans here too. So you can see that he's making some pretty good money. So for example, you see right here, he's got 5 orders in the queue right now waiting on him. Okay, so let's just bring up the calculator here and just see what we can come up with on what he's roughly about what he's going to make. Okay, so you see he's got 5 orders waiting. Now let's just take those 5 orders times that 30. So we take 5 times the $30. That's assuming that they're all on the basic package. Now they could be on the standard or the premium. But let's just take the basic just to be conservative here. Okay, so we take 5 times 30, right? And that just comes out to $150. So see, just in those 5 orders that you see right here, he has in his queue waiting on him, he's going to make $150 right there. So what about if they're the premium? Let's just jump all the way up to the premium. What about if all 5 of those are the 90? Well, you can see what's going to happen then. Take 5 times the 90, and now he's made almost $500 just from those 5 orders. Okay, so you can see that this is pretty lucrative business to get involved in. Now, what you want to do when you create your gig in Slogans to sell slogans, you want to model it after this. This person, for example, we'll just use an example. You can use any one you want. Model yours after theirs, and put you some slogan pictures or images up here, or you can do a little video clip like he's done here, and he's also got some tagline slogans, pictures and images that you can put up there too. You just want to, make it so it's attractive, okay? And then when it comes down to about the gig, you're going to sort of model yours after some of these others and tell a little bit about what you'll do and so on and so forth in your gig, and model it after theirs. And then come down, you're going to tell a little bit about yourself in your gig, what you'll do and what you'd like to do, and any kind of an experience. Maybe you have some experience with this already. That I don't know, only you would know that, right? But tell a little bit about yourself as the seller. And then you can put your packages down here. If you want to just have one package for, say, $40 or whatever, you can do that. Or you can have a basic, standard, and premium. It's your choice on that. And then set up your delivery times and so on and so forth. Now, if, for example, you notice that this guy here has got 2 days delivery on his basic package. Well, I'm going to show you how you can have just 1 day delivery and do this whole thing and turn it around in less than 1 hour to really impress your customers and draw more business in to your gig. Okay, just stick around with me. These details are coming up here shortly. All right, now when you create your gig, also you want to scroll all the way down and you want to use some of the tags that you find, these related tags, because here again Fiverr is ranked up in the Google search engine, and it's also the tags also rank your gig up on Fiverr as well. So you want to copy some relevant tags from somebody else's gig and use those same tags in your gig. Okay, now you've got your gig all set up now. All right, you're going to do slogans for people, and you're going to do like maybe 5 and so on. It depends on how you set this up. So now you may say, well, Kevin, I don't know how to come up with these slogans or think of these things or whatever. When somebody wants a slogan for their business or whatever, you don't know how to think these things up. Well, don't worry, I got you covered. All right. So what you're going to do when you get an order for somebody that wants a slogan for their business or something like that, let's just say, for example, somebody has a business and they sell popcorn, for example, all kinds of different flavors of popcorn, and they want a real nice catchy slogan to go along with their business name. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Google. All right, come over to Google and type in, you notice what I typed in up here in the Google search engine. It's free slogan maker. All right, and you see that there's several of them down through here, but what I found is that most of these will only do like one slogan at a time. Alrighty, so, but I found this one right here at the top. It's at Shopify.com. You know Shopify, that's the e-commerce where you can have your own e-commerce store, right? Well, theirs will give you 1,000 at a time for free. Doesn't cost anything. So if you click on this link, that brings us over to here. And you see right here, we're on the Shopify.com/tools/slogan maker. You see it in the address bar there. And it's a free slogan maker, and what they'll do, if you look right here, they'll give you up to 1,000 relevant slogans for free. Okay? So you're starting to catch how this is going to work here now? Simply enter a term that describes your business and get to 1,000 relevant slogans. So like we said in our example, we'll say showing somebody that has a business in popcorn. So you can see I've already tried some of this for different businesses, but popcorn is the one we'll use. So we type in popcorn, right? And then you just click on generate the slogans right here. It says we've generated 1,076 slogans containing the word popcorn. And if you look down through here, look at all these. Popcorn fits the bill. We're always low popcorn. See the face you love light up with popcorn. Popcorn, stay in touch. I'm loving popcorn. I mean, it just goes on down, all down through here, all kinds of catchy slogans that you come up with, and it's just all the way down, and it's got several pages up to, looks like about 22 pages of dual column lists of slogans that you can give to your customer. So what you would do is you would just bring up your notepad and just copy some of those slogans and bring those slogans into notepad. And let's say like this guy over here, he's only doing, what was he doing? He's doing 5 taglines, just 5 slogans. You got 1,076 of them to pick from, and you only need 5. For example, if we're using his as an example, his gig as an example, you only need 5. So go through the list and pick out 5 really cool slogans that you like on the free slogan maker, and then you bring that back over to where your customer give you their business name and they want a slogan with it, and you bring that back over and you give it to your customer in a text file, right, showing all the 5 slogans, and you give that back to them, and you get paid, for example right here on this one, $30 or whatever you set your gig to, or however many you may have, a standard or a premium package or whatever they ordered from you, and then you get paid. All right? Well guys, it's just that simple. It's just that easy. It's so easy a 10-year-old could do this and make $100 a day, and more than likely, as you saw, even more than that per day. Think about what that would be per week or per month. Alrighty? Well guys, that's an awesome way to make some money right there. All you got to do now is come over and take action on that. Take action on this video and set this up and use the Shopify slogan maker and create your business on Fiverr and start making some pretty doggone good money for yourself. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you today. If you like this video and got the value out of it, just reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified. And also, if you want to get out of your 9-to-5 job and you want to have a business of your own online where you can make up to $4,000 a day, where you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come right on over and check out my business at the bottom of my funnel or the back of my funnel. Sign up on my mailing list to take the 15-day business challenge and get a free training video that will show you a method where you can make up to $1,000 per month just for free, just for checking out my #1 recommended business. Come over, check that out, see if it's a fit for you and you'd like to have an online business set up in 15 days where you can make up to $4,000 in just one day. Alrighty guys? Well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.